Welcome aboard No Plans. My name's Yvonne and my husband's name is John, and this is day 2 of our cruise out to Alamitos Bay. And in this episode, we're going to take a stroll in Naples Canal, where they always decorate it so festive for the holidays. And for lunch, we want to share with you Ballast Point, which is a very popular brewery. Naples is a neighborhood in Long Beach that is built on 3 islands in Alamitos Bay. The islands are divided by canals which open into the bay. If you find yourself in the area of Naples, I highly recommend you come down and check out the lights during Christmas. It's a wonderful experience and you definitely get into the holiday spirit. Saturday activities included the Valor taking 2 different trips out into the harbor for members. It was time for lunch, so we hopped in No Plans and headed over to Ballast Point. Ballast Point has 2 levels, outdoor patios, and a few fire pits with over 60 beers on tap. The views of the harbor are gorgeous, and watching passing boats go by is just icing on the cake. After lunch, we hopped back in No Plans and headed back over to Long Beach Yacht Club, where it was time just to relax on the back of the boat and enjoy some scenery. Before dinner, we had some social time and we visited Valor and another member's boat to join them for a cocktail. It started drizzling in the evening and it was getting a little chilly, but it was time for dinner, so we headed over and we had a wonderful meal. We had some laughs and some great conversation. So it's Sunday morning at 7 a.m. and we're headed back to our home base of Newport, and we're leaving Long Beach now. And we had a great weekend with the club that we belong to, the American Legion Yacht Club. And we just want to encourage you to get involved in any local club that you may have, so you can find connections and friends that you can do cruise outs with and do little weekends with.
Yeah, we had a great time, good food, met a lot of new friends, and had just an excellent time.
Yes, so if you're enjoying our videos, please like them and please subscribe. And until next time, cheers.